Hi friends, this video shows how to clone WhatsApp and create a second copy of WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Here you can see WhatsApp. I am going to clone this WhatsApp and create a second copy. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go down, tap on advanced features. Go down, tap on dual messenger. And here you can see WhatsApp. Tap here. See the message, install a second copy of WhatsApp. Tap on install. Done. Second copy of WhatsApp installed. Let me verify. See, now we can see two WhatsApp. And this is the WhatsApp which I cloned. So this way we can clone WhatsApp. So you can try this. Next I will show you how we can delete this cloned WhatsApp. Again, go to settings. Go down. Go to advanced features. Go to dual messenger. We can just tap here and uninstall that second copy of WhatsApp. Tap on uninstall. Done. So this way we can clone WhatsApp. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.